Ethereum just hit a new all-time high. XRP, even though we're not going too crazy, is on its way. We're back from below $2.80. Today, I think we went back to about $3.10, something along those lines. Solana is back above $200 in BTC. I'm not sure if it hit 118, but it's back. All right, it is back. And here comes the kicker. In yesterday's video, I said this is it. What was I referring to? There's two major things. One, altcoin season. I already said it last week, and many people like to say, Dusty, you were wrong, or are you coming back on your word? No, I think that this is the time where Ethereum basically takes over, like I've said throughout the past couple of days, becomes a better buy than BTC, and slowly that's going to rotate into further and further altcoins. And point number two, it seems that this is the moment where the Fed is pivoting, which is why I said watching the Fed speak, watching them see right now, or watching them, I guess, adjust their strategy is crucial, because what a day for the S&P last night, by the way, as well, right? Just things are beautiful. The market is pricing in more beauty, and I'm taking full advantage of it. Now, let me tell you one more thing. I personally think if you are going for the crypto market right now, there are only two possible ways to go about it. One, you act as if the peak of the altcoin season is going to be tomorrow. So you're going a bit crazy on the buy side. This is not financial advice. These are just my thoughts. And option number two is you act as if everything is going to zero very soon. Now, why am I saying that? Because if I look back at the 2021 cycle, the 2017 cycle, if you look back at it, my biggest regret, and I always like to report that in my videos right here. Let me just quickly close the outside door here a little bit for the crickets. Almost too hard, but we fixed it. The biggest regret, or at least one of the biggest regrets, is that I did not go crazy enough for every one of these cycles. I mean, I've made tons of schmeckles, all right? I always like to say schmeckles. I've done amazing. But I'm already telling you right now, whatever your goal is, you got to up the scale a little bit. You got to up those numbers a little bit for you to be really, really satisfied after, because it's going to take a few more years for something as good as this to come back. So that's why I say right now that all the signs are freaking aligned. Everything is in your favor. Don't fade it, because I think a lot of y'all will regret not going and believing a bit more. Like I've said it 1,000 times. If I had $1,000, I might as well just go for it like there's no freaking tomorrow, because the 1,000 I'll make again, but the opportunity might either never come again or take like 5 more years to develop. Also, I have still yet to clean my monitor because, well, you know, I'm a maniac like that. Maybe I should put it on the side to not have the sun go up against it. But yesterday, actually it was already now a few days ago, but yesterday, the price seemed to have hit, I believe for BTC, it was again about a 111 or so before the crazy pump up. You wanna know what's funny? I really believe that a lot of people thought my BTC buy at 112.9, something like that, was pretty stupid because the price went down lower. And I said, I didn't get the chance to buy at 111, so 111,000 this day, because it was already a bit too late. If I had been a bit more patient, sure, it could have bought slightly lower, but you see, the price from Bitcoin went from 111 to pretty quickly, I think it's like 118, something like that. See, you're 117.3 here on this exchange. So that was still a pretty massive move. On the short term, you might have called I was pretty goofy, right? On the short term, you think, oh, but you could have bought like maybe 1% cheaper or something. But in the end, did it really matter? And I revert back to this almost every single time when I talk about the greater altcoin season, that you're not going to get yourself the perfect bottom. You're not going to sell at the perfect top, but you don't need to. As long as the size is big enough, which it is not for me, but hey, it's just to bring an example here. Right, that's why I've been buying a lot of this freaking ETH, a lot of freaking BTC here recently still. And you can see, where did we buy? I told y'all this purple zone is the buying zone. Actually, we went slightly, perhaps even below it. But basically anywhere from 4,300 to like just below 4,000 is basically the perfect range. I said before, anybody with a 3x long should, and this is not finished advice, it's just my own thoughts, right? But no, don't see it as advice. I thought anybody with a 3x long cannot get wrecked anymore, basically ever on ETH. Same thing for BTC. XRP is a little bit of a different animal. Mostly because the volatility in XRP is just a lot more. That's why the gains on XRP over an entire season will probably be better, but on the short term also is a bit more risky. But damn, right, that was a pretty juicy buy when you now start looking back at it. And when I was doing this, people probably laughed, right? Because they always do. So do not think too much about what other people think. Make up your own strategy. And here we go back to Pionex. You know, this is where I've got my bots on. I've told you 1,000 times, right? This first link right here is for signing up to the exchange. Just use that link if you also want to take a look at some of the bots. The second link, once you use the first one, is to get yourself a bonus. If you press it, you'll actually be able to get a deposit bonus and some other cool stuff. So you can use it with the second link right there. If you want to see all my bots, like in a list of all the ones I've made throughout, all the profit we've made, or how much they're earning a year, for example, you can see it that way, or how old they are, what my entry was versus the current price, like CRV. We entered at 98 cents. Right now we're at 89. How are we up 10%, right? Well, because it grids out, right? It's making a ton of profit throughout the year from just the volatility of CRV. That's why I said, I personally think, if you're not a person that just holds, right? If you're a person that likes to kind of dabble with strategies, having these positions, these longs, on the one hand, well, on the opposite end, also having bots to just make sure we make money on the volatility. I'm not 100% sure on how much it's making. In a couple minutes, a new Pionex competition is going to be starting. You see, 8 minutes from now, we're giving away a couple $1,000s to people who do good with the grid bots. And I think automatically, even if you're using them, you could just scoop yourself up a few $100s, maybe $1,000, who knows? But check it out. I'll leave a link to the competition down below. I want to do more of these, but it depends on how many people participate and how much it's liked. Right now, it's just like, let's say, 3,000, maybe something like that, maybe 4,000, maybe $5,000. But soon, if a lot of people are in and we're doing crazy, I told y'all I want to make this at least a $100,000 competition. Maybe we even give 100 people something, maybe, let's see. But check it out. Link is going to be down below because I really think this is one of the best methods right now for this crypto bull market. I really, really honestly, from the bottom of my heart, believe this is one of the best ways. Check it out. 2 doorbells later, I was trying to say, as you can see over in the bots, I've got about $250,000 times 5. So it's about 1.2, something like that, $1 million we've got in the bot right here. And we've got the 10K to $1 million challenge, which as of this point is also trading as if it's about, I'm gonna say about $200,000, so about 1.5 million in these bots. And the thing is, I'm not sure about the exact dollar amount it's making every single day. You can only see, right, the total profit we made on the $250,000. It's about, I'm gonna say it's gonna get close to $250,000 very soon. It could take only a few days depending on what the market does. But I find it more cool the amount of great profits making every single day. Just 1 month, 15% gains on this one, right? 1 month, 17% gains. And that's why the only thing I'm doing right now mentally is just thinking about how much more I should be putting into different freaking altcoin bots. That's literally all I'm thinking about every single day. Besides, of course, adding to my positions right here. I'm not doing that much spot anymore because recently I also figured out on my main that I can actually put ADA, the coins, for example, or Solana, the coins in these bots as well. It doesn't only have to be dollars, even XRP, right? I think it's up here always, yeah. XRP, you can see I put 5,000 XRP in, even though we're down a little bit because the price went down since we started, like 15%. You can see we've actually still made 14% on our XRP the last month and a bit, which is again paid in XRP. So we put 5,000 XRP in. Right now it's about 5,700 XRP. We're just down, but as the price comes back, obviously, this is so freaking exciting. But regardless, I'll just say it like this. I'll say it again. The next couple of weeks are about to be so freaking insane. You're going to be looking at your screen every time like, oh. And I know the comments. I've seen them. I take a look at them every day. Dusty, it's not going insane. Dusty, you get back where you keep saying this all the time. The thing is, nobody knows the exact date. But does it really matter? Even if you're a few weeks off, does it really matter? What we're talking about is life-changing freaking gains. I could be 3 months off. If somebody told me right now, hey, this is the time to really lock the frick in. And he says, because it might happen tomorrow. And it takes 3 months. I don't give a crap if the end result is me 15xing my entire freaking portfolio. And that's the way I've started to think about it now. Do not think too much about, but it wasn't today. Is it going to be soon? It's going to be soon. Just think about it from the perspective that it's all happening right here, right now. And I think you'll have the best freaking time ever. But guys, make sure you press that like button. Make sure you tune back in tomorrow because things can really start heating up fast. Specifically because Ethereum just hit an all-time high. You do not want to miss it because I think that since Ethereum is starting to go a bit crazy. I mean, it's not past $5,000 yet, so it's not like in real price discovery. But the moment that it happens, things will happen very, very fast. You have to pay very close attention, exactly like I said in yesterday's video, or you'll regret it for the rest of your life. Make sure you press the like button. I'll see you guys again in another crypto video very soon.